Alright, so here's the front trunk of the Rivian. I legitimately don't know if this is going to fit. This will be a first attempt. I think it will, but let's give it a shot. Oh geez. Alright, I am going to need to position it right in the center because the center of the hood is actually a little bit higher than the outer edges. Let's try it. Oh yes, it fits. You know what? It fits, and basically it's just pushing up on this cover, so it's not really a big deal. Well, there you have it, folks. The Bodega T36 cooler, fridge freezer. Absolutely awesome unit. This is going to be super handy on camping trips, tailgating parties, all sorts of great stuff.